Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up OPAY as your intermediary, allowing it to submit e-invoices on your company's behalf through the Organet App Studio. First, log in to the Organet App Studio. Once you're in, it's crucial to select the correct company account for the e-invoicing setup. To do this, click the Account button on the top menu bar and choose the desired company from the list. If you haven't created a business account yet, you can do so by clicking the Create New Business Account button. Since I've already created my company, I'll just select it from the list. With the correct company account selected, navigate to the top menu bar again and click App. From the drop-down menu, select OBOOK and then click Intermediary Details. On this page, you'll find two sets of intermediary details. One for the live account, which is for actual, official e-invoice submissions, and one for the sandbox account, which is a testing environment. Any submissions made using the sandbox details are for practice only and will not be officially recorded. For this tutorial, we will be using the sandbox account. Let's begin by clicking the Sandbox e-invoice portal link button. This will take you to the My Tax Portal login page. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. These are the same login details you use for your live My Tax account. After logging in, you'll need to select the correct role to manage your company's affairs. Click on Role Selection. For this example, I'll switch to the Employer role to access my company profile. If you only see an individual option and not your company, you may need to add the appropriate roles within your My Tax account first. Great! Now that I'm in the correct role for my company, I can proceed. Click on the My Invoice button in the top menu bar to go to the My Invoice portal. Once you're in the My Invoice portal, locate the user icon in the upper right corner and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can switch taxpayer accounts if needed. Since my current taxpayer account is correct, I will click on View Taxpayer Profile. You are now on the Taxpayer Profile page. Scroll down to the Representatives section. You'll see a tab bar. Click on the Intermediaries tab. Next, click the Add Intermediary button. A pop-up form will now appear. Switch back to the Organet App Studio window. Carefully copy the sandbox intermediary details and paste them into the corresponding fields on the MyInvois portal pop-up form. Important: when copying the taxpayer name, ensure you select and copy everything precisely, including any punctuation like the period at the end. After you've filled in the details, click Continue to validate them. Next, choose the time frame for how long you want to authorize OPAY as your representative. Now you must enable all the required permissions. Make sure to check the boxes for Submit Document, Cancel Document, Request Rejection, and View Notification. With all permissions enabled, click the Save button. You will now see OPAY listed as an active intermediary for your account. And that's it! You have successfully authorized OPAY as an intermediary in your MyInvois account. OPAY can now submit e-invoices on behalf of this taxpayer. Thank you for watching.